Hey, DeBerry,
What's up?
why are you playing as the raccoon? Is it because you're trash?
Jesus, you egos don't know when to shut up. Why are you playing as Squirrel Girl? You like stuffing your face with nuts? Oh, no, never mind. Now I see why you play Squirrel Girl. You guys have a similar build. Hairy arms and chubby cheeks. Makes perfect sense. I got an idea. How about you just play the Hulk? It'd be like looking in a mirror all over again. You're practically built like one of the homies. And I mean this in the nicest way possible. Stick to Starbucks and posting those bikini pics on passes. That's the only place you're ever going to be successful.
人の心とかないんか